using sticks, right? Because remember, we went from the concrete that you can touch to the abstract, right? So we're gonna pretend that we went way back in time, and this is 6,741. Now we're not gonna rewrite our multiples of 5 because you already glued those into your notebook. But if this was a completely new divisor, like it was a new group that we needed to make, you would be writing this again. But we're not gonna do that now because we're saving time. Okay, so strategy number 1 is our sticks, but we call it sharing in groups because that's basically what we're doing, right? We're literally building groups with these sticks. Okay, so 6. I'm literally going to make 6 sticks. Now, I don't have to fit all of them right here. I can put them on the side. I can put them wherever I have space, somewhere close by. Okay, so I'm gonna put these right here. So 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I know that I need to make groups of 5. So how many groups of 5 can I build? I can make 1 group of 5. I can make 1 group of 5. And how many sticks do I have left over?
1.
1 stick is left over. So now instead of having 1,000, I have 10 hundreds. Yes? Can we help you? Who's there? Oh, I'm like, who's back there? I can't see. Go maybe if she's continue. So now I regrouped. How many sticks do I have now? 17 sticks. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to put this into groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 groups. And I have 2 left over. So, how many groups was I able to build? 3 groups. I had 2 sticks left over. So this gets regrouped. So now instead of having 2 in the hundreds place, I have 20 tens. I'm not kidding you. I'm very serious about sticks.
24 sticks.
Now how many sticks do I have? 24 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my god,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. I have an answer. Hold on, I can't hear her question. Hold on, I can't hear her question. Okay, the number what? They get regrouped. In the front or in the back? Do you mean like this way? No, everything goes this way. Like everything gets regrouped this way. So division is a little different than like addition or subtraction because when we regroup, that comes to the left, right? But what we're doing is we're going from a big number and we're making smaller groups into it. So our place value is moving smaller. Instead of having thousands, now I'm going to see how many hundreds can I make. Now I'm going to see how many tens I can make. Now I'm going to see how many ones I can make. Okay, so I made 4 groups and had how many left over? 4. So now instead of 4 10s, I have 40 ones. So now how many sticks do I have to make?
41.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. And I'm going to put these into groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I've done like 6 to 7 battles.
How many groups was I able to build? 8 groups. And how many sticks did I have left over? 1. So my quotient or my answer when I divide is 1,348 with a remainder of 1. Okay, so now let's move on. Let's fast forward to strategy number 2. Strategy number 2 was repeated subtraction. So repeated subtraction is the exact same thing that we did here, except that now I'm not using sticks. Now I'm using the number that is in the group. So instead of making groups of 5, I am subtracting 5s. So it's the same problem. 6,741 divided by 5. You can, yeah. If you run out of space, you're a problem solver and you can flip your paper. Or you can get another grid if yours doesn't have a back. Okay, so if I have 6, can I make a group of 5? Yes. So I'm going to take away 5. And I have 1 stick left. How many groups was I able to build? 1 group. And I had 1 stick left over that I'm going to regroup. You're not writing this down. If I have 17, can I make groups of 5? Yes. So let's see how many I can build. 17 minus 5. Okay, 17 minus 5 is 12. No, can you put the little thing on the door, please? If I have 12, can I make a group of 5? So, 12 minus 5 is how much?
7.
If I have 7 sticks, can I make a group of 5?
Yes.
Yes. And how many are left? Now I'm going to see how many groups of 5 was I able to build. 1, 2, 3 groups, and I had 2 left over. If I have, bye Darian. Okay, if I have 24, can I make a group of 5? Several groups of 5. How much is 24 minus 5? 19. Can I make another group? How much is going to be left? Can I make another group? How much is going to be left? Can I make another group? How much is going to be left? Can I make another group? No. So let's see how many groups I made. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And I had 4 sticks left over.
41.
If I have 41 sticks, can I make groups of 5? Yes.
A lot of them.
A lot of them. How much is 41 minus 5? 36 minus 5. 31 minus 5. 26 minus 5. 21 minus 5. Now, I know that I don't have any more space down here, but I'm a problem solver, not a problem maker. So I'm going to bring this back up here so that I can continue. 16. Can I take another group of 5 out? Yes. 11 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Can I make another group? No. So now let's see how many groups I made in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I had one remainder left over. Strategy number 3. Strategy number 3 is your multiples of 10, 100, or 1,000, depending on how big your number is. When we're done with this, 6,741. Now, you know how I keep telling you that we can use multiples of 10, hundreds, thousands? So yesterday we were multiplying by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. But I could go bigger. I don't have to just do tens. I can do 5 times 10, but I can also do 5 times 100. I can also do 5 times 1,000. And all of them are going to be correct. It's just a matter of how many more steps am I going to do. So what is the biggest number that I can multiply to get me close to 6,000?
600. No. 6,000. No, 1,000.
1,000. Because if I multiply 5 times 1,000, how many sticks am I using? 5,000. So 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. Because nobody said that I can only do these 10, 20, 30, 40. Like, I can go bigger. Right? So it all depends on how big your number is. If my number is in the thousands, well, I'm not going to multiply by tens. That's going to take me forever to get there. Right? So you can multiply. That's why this is called multiples of tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. So now I'm still subtracting. It's just that now I'm subtracting a whole bunch of sticks at once. 1, 4, 7, 1. So now I have 1,741. So now what do you think? What can I multiply to get me the closest to 1,741? Well, let's look at our multiples of 5. I want to get close to 1,741. Hundreds, okay? So I could do this into hundreds. What would be the closest?
50,000. No, 1,500.
I'm trying to get to 1,741. 1,500. So what would I multiply by? 300. Now, you could do 30. That's not wrong. You're just going to have to do a bunch of 30s over and over and over and over and over. All this does is it saves you that space. So I can do 5 times 300. And that is 1,500. Uh-huh.
In parentheses, I put the savage.
Oh, savage. I love it.
Savage.
So now multiplying by thousands because look at how many sticks I have. I'm not going to be multiplying by hundreds because look at how many sticks I have. So what can I multiply? I can't do hundreds because the least amount would be 500. So I can multiply by tens, right? So what can I multiply by 5 to get me close to 240? 40, beautiful. This is where it comes in handy to know your times tables because you can see it. It's like you can see, oh, 5 times 4 is 20. I need to get to 24. That's the closest. Now I'm at 41. I'm not going to multiply by tens because this is too small. So 5 times what gets me closest to 41?
5 times. No.
8, because that is 40. And I have 1 left over. So now let's see. How many groups did I build in total? 1,348. So 1,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8 is 1,348. And I had a remainder of 1. 1,348, remainder 1. Same quotient, just different steps. It's the final countdown. Alright, let's see. Strategy number 4. You can do it. It's the final countdown. 6,741.
My arms are cooked.
Oh no, that means you can't play Xbox? It's okay, I'll write you an
I want
excuse.
an Xbox.
Okay, you won't play Roblox. I'll tell mom, it's okay.
no.
Your arm hurts too much.
Nah,
It's okay, you don't have to play. I'll write you an excuse.
Nah, my
Yes, you can.
dog.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the old school strategy. And this is completely abstract. Like there's no sticks, the same things are happening in the background, but we're just purely using our multiplication facts. We're using our top and bottom table. So, how many groups of 5 can I build if I only have 6 sticks? 1. I can make 1 group of 5. That means I'm going to use 5 sticks and have 1 stick left over. What am I going to do with this one?
Regroup it.
Regroup it. So now I don't have 1,000, I have 10 hundreds. If I have 17 sticks, how many groups of 5 can I build? 3 on the top, and that means I'm going to use up 15 sticks. Subtract, that's going to leave me with 2 sticks. So now instead of 2 100s, I have 20 tens. If I have 24, how many groups of 5 can I build? 4, and I'm going to use 20 sticks, which leaves me with 4 sticks that I'm going to regroup. If I have 41 sticks, how many groups of 5 can I build? That means I'm going to use 40 sticks
Remainder of 1.
and have 1 left over. Now I always circle the last one, guys, because it's super easy to leave it behind. So my quotient is 1,348, remainder 1. So you see, all of these are going to get me the same exact quotient. The only difference is how do you represent what is happening. All of these are great strategies. The best one is going to be the one that you understand.